Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. Continuing our Crud operation, we are going to work on the save now. So go back to the producer repository. So for the save, we can copy the delete and we can rename it to save. Now to save, we will need a producer. We only have the name, but in most cases you always have some more data. So saving producer, you can pass here kind of the producer get name, and then connection, create prepare statement instead of delete. We're going to call create prepare statement save, and here we are going to copy the producer because we are going to replace the ID with producer, and here we are going to pass the producer. Okay, so the SQL, if you don't remember, you can always go back to the previous producer repository, and first SQL is right here. So just copy this SQL, then you go back to producer repository in the package ZZJ, you replace the entire SQL here, and you delete formatted, and you add here question mark set string, and here we have the producer get name. Trying to save producer. Okay, let's go back to producer service. Let's copy the find by name under delete. We call save and type the name of the producer, and then we can have here, this is the name, producer dot builder dot build, and in between we want the name. Cool. So instead of find by name, producer, oh sorry, it's producer, it's here, and here it's save, and it's empty. Cool. Yeah, I think this is more than enough. This one we could technically make a little bit cleaner, like this. And we can try it now with Shift F10. So let's see. Oh, we forgot to. Well, we can test the search, but we forgot to update the switch. So let's list everybody. Yeah, we still have 2, 4. Now let's press 0. Let's go back here in case this is 3. We are going to save. So this is the enhanced switch. It was introduced on Java 12, and there were some changes on Java 13. So basically now, like this, you don't need to have the break anymore, and you can have multiple values. So for example, you could have not the values that you already have there, but you can pass now different values, and as long as they are unique and you are covering all the possible scenarios, you can have multiple cases with one line. I don't know if you remember, but before you had to have like case by case, and then do not use the break. And another cool thing is that, for example, imagine that you would like to assign something, for example, var and then type, and then the type will be basically based on the operation. So you can have in case 1, and you can use the word yield, and then in case 1, I would like to assign the value 100 to this variable type that's integer. But you have to cover all the scenarios, as you can see here, all the possible inputs. So you can have like default, and then yield 0, and semicolon here. So basically you can use this to assign values. If you're familiar with Kotlin, basically the same thing as it's possible to do it with Kotlin. So this is a switch expression. Okay, so we have the save here. Now you can press Control B to go to the menu here, and Control D, save producer. Shift F10. Let's try to save one. Press 3, type the name, play animation, press enter, saving producer. Now let's list, search everybody, and we have the value we were looking for here. Cool. So now that we have the save, the one that we are missing is the update. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.